Palompon Leyte, Philippines. Kalanggaman Island is famous for its crystal clear waters, white powdery sand and long sandbanks stretching on both sides of the island. The beach area is really calm, safe and really relaxing, so it is suitable for a family vacation or a short weekend getaway. Kalanggaman Island is a beautiful beach destination located in the municipality of Palompon in the Leyte province of the Philippines. In 2013, the island began to gain international popularity after the MV Europa cruise line stopped on the island and brought nearly 400 passengers who stayed on the island for several hours. The island is only 753 meters long and is still uninhabited. There are no big resorts on the island, but there is Jeter Resort that offers teepee huts. On the island, it is also allowed to camp with an overnight stay in a tent. To preserve the beauty of the place, the local tourist office admits a maximum of 500 tourists a day. To ensure the comfort and safety of tourists, local authorities built basic amenities and secured the island by the tourist police stationed on the island. If you've been dreaming of a weekend trip to a postcard pristine island, Kalanggaman is definitely the place to go. On this island, tourists enjoy swimming, snorkeling, kayaking and diving. The best time to visit the island is during the summer season from February to May, but you can still visit the island from October to June. Avoid the rainy season and typhoons that run from July to September. If you hate a crowded beach, avoid visiting the island in summer, public holidays, Holy Week and long weekends. The complete guide on how to reach the island of Kalanggaman. Fly to Ormoc or Tacloban City. Travel to Palompon Leyte by bus or van. Register and pay fees at Palompon Ecotours office. Get or hire your own boat. Important reminders. Once you arrived in Palompon, it is mandatory for tourists to register first at Palompon Ecotours office. The office is located in front of Liberty Park near the Municipal Hall of Palompon. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube and Facebook channel. Hit that notification bell to receive newly uploaded video.